Welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8 in the midnight color. This is the aluminum in the 45 millimeters. So let's take a look. Can I open this? No. Where do I use it? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Look how pretty. So we have the watch right here. This is only the GPS version because I don't got it like that. And I guess, no, there's nothing in here. There's nothing. So Apple, I don't know. I thought it was gonna be the, yeah, I thought it was gonna be a band in here. It's just a piece of paper. They're not giving us like power adapters, but they're giving us a piece of cardboard inside our Apple Watch box. I don't get it. All right, let's do the satisfying part. Ooh. Ah, I'm gonna throw this over here. Ta-da! Oh, I love the little sleeves. Before they used to be like made out of cloth. Now it's just made out of paper. If I could get it out, that would be nice. Oh my gosh, this is so small. There we go. Take a look at this guy and this beauty right here. I hope there's an Apple Watch band. There's no Apple Watch band. I spoke too soon. Gracias. All right. Oh, this guy's already turning on. But look at him. And let's open up this band. Let's see. Ooh. Take a look. This is the band that I got. This is like the cloth one. I really like this one rather than like the silicone feeling one. So you can see. One thing I will say is that if you get near something with like Velcro, you're gonna get stuck to it. So just letting you know. And it's a little bit stretchy. So let's see. Okay. Now out. This was my Series 5. Goodbye. We don't want you anymore. And let's go with this one. So far, it's pretty fast. It turned on quite fast compared to my Series 5. And there it goes. Oh, it looks nice. I thought that the 45 was actually I was gonna like it. But I don't know, I feel like it's a little too big. I feel like a Spy Kid right now. Maybe the 41 will be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair these guys up because I haven't had an Apple Watch for over a week since I got my iPhone. Oh, let's watch. Okay, pair a new watch. Signed up for myself. And ooh, yay! Make this your new Apple Watch. Yes. Continue. All right. So while this loads, I love it. I love the color. Unfortunately, the 14 Pro doesn't come in a midnight color, but the watch does. I wanted everything midnight, but unfortunately, Apple could not accommodate me. I don't have that much power yet, so I will stick with my midnight watch. I'm still debating if I like this big face, but I know that the fellows here have another Apple Watch for me to review, so hopefully it's a smaller one. What do you think so far?
I think it's big.
It's really big.
I think it's big. I feel like that extra 2 millimeters makes a big difference.
Wow. It vibrated
Yeah?
like crazy. It almost took my arm off. Let's see.
Does it vibrate different?
The vibration was definitely a little bit tougher than my other one. So remember, this has the emergency SOS, the fall detection during workouts, and then you can't forget about the crash detection that your iPhone 14 Pro as well has. So I feel like this is a really good feature to have, um, especially when, I don't know, maybe when like it's younger kids as well, like they're always gonna wear an Apple Watch, and when they're learning to drive, I mean, that's something I would get my kids, um, just for peace of mind. Okay, there we go. Ooh, wow, that was fast. Let's see. Oh, okay. Hey, Buzz. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It's so adorable. Whoa, okay.
It's not lit.
Ooh, look. Ooh. Oh, so it just changes like when you look at, oh yes, when you, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really nice. I like the new faces. I haven't really played with them because I'm a huge Pixar fan. If Steve Jobs was here, I would be giving him a shout out. R.I.P. Steve Jobs. But this is a very, very nice face. Good job. Okay, so I'm pulling up the specs for the one that I have right now, which is the Series 8 in the 45 millimeter case in the midnight color. According to the specs on the Apple Store website, it has sapphire crystal on stainless steel cases. It has an always-on retina LTPO LED display. Let's see, it has the fall detection, it has the crash detection, it has a high dynamic range gyroscope, whatever that is. Temperature sensing. So one thing that stood out in the keynote this year to me was that the Series 8 is actually could take your temperature. So if you have, you know, if you're trying to conceive or you're trying to start a family, it's actually going to help you by telling you that when are your most fertile days because of the temperature increasing or decreasing. So I found that really, really nice. I feel like before that, I feel like Apple was kind of slacking when it came down to like the female, like reproductive section, I would say, because you would like have to like download a specific app so you can track your cycle and you can put your symptoms. And I felt like even though it was on my iPhone, I wasn't really using it. So I feel like having the watch is actually going to be able to be a plus because it's going to be able to tell me these things. And I feel like now that it's more incorporated, I feel like it's going to be easier to keep track instead of having to download like a whole new app to kind of keep track. So check it out. It also has the blood oxygen sensor and the app, and an electrical heart sensor, an ECG app, third generation optical heart sensor, high and low heart rate notifications, emergency SOS. It's dust resistant, water resistant, crack resistant, front crystal. It has LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it has 32 gigabytes of capacity. It also fast charges according to this. I really hope so because whenever you do put your Apple Watch to charge, I feel like you're just waiting there for like 50 million hours for it to like get like a good charge. So I really want to see how fast this guy charges compared to my Series 5. Um, and I will also see about it getting scratched because the aluminum cases tend to get like scratched a lot easier than the, what was it, the one that you have?
This one, no, actually, now that one has the sapphire glass, so it shouldn't get scratched.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before
Even
you
though it's
switch
aluminum?
to the stainless, so you would
Oh,
get regular glass. So you
oh.
won't need a tempered glass. But now you should be good.
All right. What about the body though?
No, no, no. You scratching it on myself.
Well, like there's sometimes like I feel like I always just like ba 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 ba, and then I'm like scared to look at it afterwards. So I'm happy to hear that it has a sapphire glass now. I'm excited.
So I
Well,
have a question. Could it tell you if you have a fever?
I don't think so. No, no, no. No, it cannot tell you if you have a fever. It just tells it's mainly geared for women, I would say. So but who knows? I mean, they put it in there for a reason. So I hope that it could tell you if you have a fever in the future.
There's
Oh,
like a temperature sensing app
let me see.
on the watch.
Oh, on the watch.
Yeah.
Let's see. No, so basically it will take your temperature while you're sleeping. And then based on you have to wear it for at least sleep focus must be enabled for at least 4 hours a night for about 5 nights. And then it's gonna start taking your temperature. You can also, if you don't want your temperature to be taken, you can actually turn it off. You'll just go on your iPhone, the Apple Watch app, tap privacy, and then turn off wrist temperature. So basically, it just goes based off of a diagnosis. So you have to at least have it on for 5 days so they can be able to read your temperature, and I guess they'll take it from there. So I kind of wish that you could just like take it, but I guess that's in the future.
Let's see how it goes first.
Yes. All right. I have now Series 8, 41 millimeters. Let's see how smaller or how smaller it is actually, yes. Or if we're gonna like it. Let's see. Oh yeah, you see this one came with the band. They liked me in the other one.
All right, Tim, you got some explaining to do.
Yes. Okay, yes. So this one came with the band. It's the same band that I got already on. Oh, all right. The unboxing. One and two. Ta-da! And let's see. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, it's a baby. Wow, they really cheaped out with these guys. Okay, we have the same things. We have no surprises here. Same boring charger. And let's see. Okay. Okay. And this one's for the 41 millimeter. So, oh my gosh, I feel like it's so tiny. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Feels like a toy one, like a toy Apple Watch. Is there such thing as that? I think I'm putting it wrong.
I think, what size did you have? 42?
42, I think so.
That's 41.
Yeah, so it's like one
So
millimeter.
it's smaller though.
It is so tiny. Let me put it on my wrist. Okay. Look at that size difference. We should turn it on. It looks small. It looks tiny, as you can see. Let's put them side by side to see what they look like. So we have them here, and there is a very big difference, but I don't know. This is what the 41 millimeter looks like. Maybe it's because I'm used to the bigger face, but I feel like I like it better. I feel like the other one, I'm just gonna like slam it into everything. This one feels a lot more like, I don't know, more portable than this guy does. This one's pretty big, even though I love the big face, but I feel like 45 is a little bit too excessive. I feel like they should have stuck with the 42 millimeter. Yeah, that was perfect. 45 is like, I feel like it's a little too manly, too bulky. But it's not bad. I really like it. Well, I was going to pair this one, but I only have one phone, so but it's really exactly the same thing other than, you know, having like the difference in the size. If you're looking for something that looks a little bit more petite on the petite side, and you know, you're not looking to like trying to impress anybody and show everybody that you have an Apple Watch, you should get the 41 millimeter. If you're looking to give this to your boyfriend, your dad, or even if you're a girl, if you like big faces, this is a very decent size. It's really big. Like I said, by trying them both on, I would say that I would prefer the 41 millimeter. They do both have the crash detection, the fall detection, everything that pretty much your iPhone 14 will have, any of the new features. So check it out. Go to your local Apple store, try them on, see which one you prefer. If you want, just write down on the comments below which face you like. In my opinion, the smaller one, like I said, we'll see what you guys like. And if you guys want, you guys can head back to the channel because I have this boy, which is the Apple Watch Ultra. So this was just shown to me a couple minutes ago and I'm excited to unbox it. If you guys want us to unbox it, just leave a comment if you'd like, and because either way we're still gonna unbox it. So if you want, just head back. We're gonna post some shorts of the unboxing for all three of these guys. Please subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.